Have you considered camping away from the crowds and cooking over an open fire, only to discover carting a heavy greasy grate inside the car is a cumbersome mess? Introducing FrontRunner's spare tire mount Bry barbecue grate. This ingenious all-stainless steel cooking grate stores over your spare tire, freeing space inside your vehicle while keeping the greasy grime outside the vehicle. Featuring 2 grill sections and 1 griddle section. Adjustable legs means this cooking grate can fit over tires 29 to 35 inches in size. The cooking grate can be mounted alone or further secured with the FrontRunner spare wheel step, ratchet strap, or wheel cover. Unleash your inner caveman. Cook on fire. The spare tire mount Bry barbecue grate, a smart off-road tough cooking and storage solution from FrontRunner. You provide the adventure, we'll provide the gear.
Hey, hold on, someone's at the door.
Hi, can I borrow a cup of sugar?
Now's not a good time. Sorry. That was the creepy neighbor again.
You still doing that thing?
Yeah, I'm at that job.
Which one?
That lame spokesperson gig for the roof rack company. Yeah, I know. I'm firing my agent.
Yeah, right.
I was told I would get a line, but it's just modeling. I'm surprised they haven't asked me to pop my top yet.
We can hear you.
I gotta go.